So this is sort of vlog 1.5. The shed is gone. It is no more. That's just the foundation. Sorry for the noise over there. So yeah, I've got no workshop space whatsoever now. Makes you realise how much space you actually do have once it's gone. Very strange, but it's going to be moving and extending into this area over here. So it will be quite a considerable space, so it will go all the way up into that tree and then down the back there. But yeah, so what I'm going to do is set up this little gazebo as like a sort of temporary workshop just in this area here, because I've got nothing and I wanted to do some sanding and I can't do that indoors, so that's what I'm doing. So this will be quite short, to be fair. That's why it's 1.5, but I just wanted to give a little update, show you the shed completely gone, and then just tell you that I was setting up the temporary workshop, and there might be a few little other bits here and there, maybe with the new layout. But I'm really sorry for that building work, but yeah, see you when I see you. So in my temporary workshop now, this is where the shed is. So I'll just go outside and show you. Just really quickly put together this gazebo. It looks pretty terrible, but sorry if it's really windy. I'll go back inside. It was just to break down some of the wind, and if it starts raining I can leave my tool there. I'm going to bring my air compressor down and do some sanding on some 3D prints I've got. Yeah, that was all it was for, because I can't sand indoors. So hopefully it does the job and it doesn't fly away. As you can see, it's like a big sail at the moment. But yeah, that's that. So I'm just using the microphone on my headphones because I was hoping that would sort of take the wind out of it. I'm not really sure. But this is just another clip. It's been quite a while, maybe a week, since the last set of clips. Let me get out of the sun. For vlog 1.5. Today I've just been cutting out this small tree because the shed is going to get an even bigger extension now. And it's going to come out here, and at the front there's going to be a little outdoor toilet, just for when we're chillaxing in the garden. So the shed hasn't seen much progress because we've had a bit of bad weather. It's going to be out there, so I've just here's my little tree. Let me take you and show you. So my gazebo took a bit of a battering because there's been some ice. That's how cold it's been. It's about -3, I think it was this morning, which is a shame because obviously there's been no progress on the workshop, which is fine. Obviously, no fault of anyone's, but the gazebo has started to fail a little bit. Its structural elements are suffering a little bit. And I was trying to use this as sort of a temporary outdoor workshop, but it doesn't seem to be viable just because of how cold it is and how windy it's been. And I've been trying to sand some 3D prints and paint them, and obviously I can't do that indoors, but I don't have a workshop and it's just too cold to be out in the open, you know, sort of standing still. So hopefully there's some more clips with a bit of a better update on the shed, but that's all I've got for the moment. There might be another clip after this, so I'll leave this here.
Hello darkness, my old friend, I've come to talk with you again.
So it is like the week later from the last clip. Well, not the week, but a few days. As you can see, that's disappeared. I did end the video in the last clip, but I'm going to put this one before that one, so there's a time jump, but don't worry. But I just wanted to show the gazebo and how that turned out. It's actually broken. It just filled up with water, which I didn't think it would do. But I don't know if you can see this. Look, it's just caved in on itself. And I thought it would stand up a little bit better than that, but it's just absolutely ruined. So maybe my mistake for leaving it up in bad weather, but I didn't think it would fill up with water. I thought it was doing quite well, but yeah, so I'm without a permanent workshop and a temporary workshop. So this is my workshop now, out in the elements. So I'll lead on to the next clip, which was a few days ago, and then that'll end the video. But thanks for watching. If not, thanks for watching. Leave a comment and a like. I'm sorry this is, oh, let's get you out of the sun. Sorry this has been a bit of a shorter vlog. It's just like a tiny update, but really nothing's been happening. Just want to tag on the end that I'm still sponsored by Lumberjack Tools, MAT 0005 DIY, Lumberjack Tools up top. Really helped me out lately. They gave me that saw, really good tools. Get yourself a 5% discount.